Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by importing your noisy clip into Capcut on PC. Once the file is in the timeline, select the audio track and zoom in so you can see waveform detail. Make sure you monitor with headphones at a safe level. This helps you hear subtle background noise. Now detach audio from video if you need separate control, and save a duplicate track before editing so you can revert. Doing these preparatory steps prevents accidental loss and gives you precise control as you remove noise. Now apply Capcut's noise reduction from the audio panel. Choose a moderate starting value like 20 to 40% so you don't overprocess. You'll listen and increase in small increments until background hiss fades without making voices muffled. Next, use the equalizer to reduce low rumble or high-frequency hiss. Cut narrow bands rather than broad strokes. Once satisfied, add gentle volume keyframes to smooth out dips and peaks. These steps reduce noise while preserving clarity, which keeps speech natural. Finish by exporting a short test at the same sample rate and bitrate as the original to verify quality. You should /b compare processed audio with the original. Toggle the edited track on and off to ensure voices remain natural. If you hear metallic artifacts or underwater tones, reduce the noise reduction value and retry the EQ adjustments rather than pushing limits. If problems persist, revert to your duplicate track and try a lighter chain. Mild reduction, targeted EQ, and manual volume edits for the best result.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.